लास्ट जब फ्यू ओवर्स चल रहे थे सबको ऐसा लग रहा था शायद आप फील्ड जो है वो अंदर बुलाओगे ताकि सिंगल ना आए.
जिस तरीके से सिराज and Prasidh were bowling, we didn't feel like we needed the new ball.
It seems like a lifetime ago, but 7 weeks back was your first Test match as captain. 5 matches into that role, how do you see yourself as a captain?
बहुत जगह बातें चल रही है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट के फ्यूचर को लेके, टेस्ट क्रिकेट पर प्रमोशन लेके ऐसा भी कहा जा रहा है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट को 4 दिन का कर देना चाहिए. आपको एज ए टीम, एज ए इंडियन कैप्टन क्या लगता है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट के साथ कोई छेड़छाड़ नहीं ज़्यादा करना चाहिए इस फॉर्मेट के साथ?
4 दिन का मैच होता तो 5 मैच ड्रॉ हो जाते.
5 test matches in the series, you have had different challenges, but there was a point middle of the series you lost Rishabh Pant due to injury. Jasprit Bumrah wasn't in the dressing room, so as a leader, all the spotlight was on you. How challenging was that period, and were there moments in the series where you had that feeling of helplessness?
We didn't have Rishabh. He's been one of the key performers for us over the past couple of years. Even Mumbai, I don't need to say much about him. He is one of the best fast bowlers in the world right now. It's just important for us to be able to bring our A game. In Birmingham, I said, we have so much talent in this country. Any playing 11, the best playing 11 that is available, you put it on the park, that is able to compete and beat any side in the world. The scorecard of the series could not have depicted what kind of cricket we played, but I think the scorecard of the series that we have right now shows how the both teams played, and this win was important for us to be able to get that morale high, especially after the kind of cricket that we have played over the course of 2 months. पहले भी बोलता था कि हम we only believe in सिराज भाई.
कैप्टन लास्ट जब फ्यू ओवर्स चल रहे थे सबको ऐसा लग रहा था शायद आप फील्ड जो है वो अंदर बुलाओगे ताकि सिंगल ना आए. और दूसरी चीज़ न्यू बॉल के बारे में आप कुछ बताओगे दैट वो अवेलेबल थी. क्या आपके जहन में चल रहा था?
Firstly, yes, we did have the option of second new ball, but I think जिस तरीके से Siraj and Prasidh were bowling, we didn't feel like we needed the new ball. They can do the job for us even if it's a 84-old ball. And secondly, we thought कि we still have the wicket taking options on this wicket. LBW बहुत ज़्यादा हुए हैं और वो हमारे पास ऑप्शन, अगर उनको रन बनाने हैं तो उनको बाउंड्रीज ही मारने पड़ेंगे. But rather let them have 30 singles and score those 30 runs rather than score 5-6 बाउंड्री मार के. हमको पता था कि उनके ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर है. कोई भी टीम उस पोजीशन में होती है तो हमेशा बैटिंग टीम के ऊपर ज़्यादा प्रेशर रहता है क्योंकि इट्स एक बॉल का गेम है आउट करने का. तो हमको था कि हमको गेम जितना हम लंबा लेके जा सकते हैं उसमें हमारे साथ प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा रहेगी क्योंकि विकेट टेकिंग बॉल गिरने के चांसेस ज़्यादा हैं.
Shubman, it has been a roller coaster ride in the 6-7 months with the test team. जैसे आप लोग आए and you being the new captain, personally, how has this journey been? Given there have been so big names missing this team, there was a lot of unsettled. That was an unsettled team. Personally, how have you grown through the series? You mentioned in Manchester that you felt as a captain it was more exhausting for you, but now looking back, how do you feel you have grown through the series?
So I think there are moments like these where you feel the journey is worth it. The moment that we had in the morning, and there have been a lot of highs and lows, and that's kind of expected, especially with sports. And obviously, every game or every time you go into bat, you want to be able to perform. You want to be able to score a century. But unfortunately, that's not how the game or life works. You should be able to navigate through the highs and lows of life and trying to stay balanced throughout. That's what at least I believe in, that I want to be able to stay balanced, whether we have won the match, lost the match, I've done well or I've not done well. It's difficult, but it's a process. That's the real journey, to be able to stay balanced, and I'm still learning, but so far so good.
Shubman, there are lots of moments in this series memorable personally and as your teammates. Like if you can pick 2 of them, one of yours who you think big takeaway for you, and something, a team moment which you think symbolizes this team and what the template it sets going on.
What we did this morning kind of summarize what this team is all about. 70 odd runs, 7 wickets in hand. The way Brooke and Root were going, not many teams in the world would have given themselves a chance. But this team believes that whenever we have some kind of an opening, we can get through that opening, and that's what we were talking about once Brook was out and then we got early wicket of Bethel, that this is our opening. Let's try to build pressure on them. One more wicket from here, and you never know. It's cricket, you know. Still 70 odd runs on day 4 on that kind of a wicket, or even 50 runs. They would be under pressure. But when you've got bowlers like him bowling, you know, it makes your job as a captain very easy. You're just standing out there and you just want to appreciate their bowling.
Your personal moment, which you think, as a batsman, you grew.
So each 100 that I scored had a very different significance, if I can say. The one in Leeds was my first match. I was under a bit of pressure of not being able to perform, especially in this format, how I wanted to. So that 100 would always be special for me. And then the double 100 and the 100 in Birmingham, to be able to seal that match was also special. And the one in Manchester, to be able to save that game from there. Each of them has a story, and each of them means a lot to me, like all the moments that we have had. So it's difficult to just pick one, because it's been I think we have played, there were 25 days of cricket and we have played on all. We have played 25 days of cricket. So just to be able to pick one moment, it's very hard.
Yeah, Shubman, just as a captain 7 weeks back, it seems like a lifetime ago, but 7 weeks back was your first Test match as captain. 5 matches into that role, how do you see yourself as a captain? What are your learnings? Where do you think you stand as a captain in your own estimation?
So there are some things that me and we as a team we definitely need to work on, and I think I kind of have more clarity on the areas that we need to work on as a team, and I have more clarity where personally I need to work on as a captain. There would always be opinions, and you know, in hindsight could have done this, could have done that, but I think what matters for me is that in that moment, whether I'm taking I want to take the most probable decision in that moment, and as long as I'm able to do that, I think the probability would be on us, and that's what I want to do.
शुभमन, क्या लर्निंग्स रही, इसी क्वेश्चन का एक्सटेंशन है, क्या लर्निंग्स रही बतौर कप्तान आपकी इस सीरीज में? पहली बार आप कप्तानी कर रहे थे, जब हम आ रहे थे यहाँ पर तो यही बात हर तरफ हो रही थी कि इंग्लैंड जैसा महत्वपूर्ण दौरा, कठिन दौरा, और एक अनुभवी कप्तान होता तो अच्छा होता। ये बात कई एक्सपर्ट्स ने भी बैक होम इंडिया में कही थी। आपकी क्या लर्निंग्स रही बतौर बल्लेबाज? आपने सीरीज से पहले कहा था कि बेस्ट बल्लेबाज बनना चाहते हैं, आप बन गए हैं। अपनी बल्लेबाजी पर आपने क्या काम किया?
सर, लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम मी, देयर हैव बीन सो मेनी लर्निंग्स। एक कोई ऐसी चीज बतानी मुश्किल है, बिकॉज हर दिन आप कुछ ना कुछ आपको पता लगता है, नई चीज आप कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हो। और ये सीरीज में भी फर्स्ट मैच से लेके अब तक बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो मुझे सीखने को मिली। बहुत सारा कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है, लाइक इवन इन दिस मैच लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर थिंकिंग कि यार चौथा फास्ट बॉलर हम खिला लेते, ये कर लेते, बट the guy who played instead of the fourth seamer, I think Karun's 50 in the first inning was equally important for us, जो हमको एक decent total के पास में लेके गई। ये सारी I think बातें हमेशा opinions बनते रहेंगे, because वो मैच के बाद बनते हैं। एक बार लोग देख लेते हैं, ये कर लेते, वो कर लेते, वो सब चीज़ें I think चलती रहती है, बट जो उस मोमेंट में या फिर उस टाइम पे आपको वे करना होता है कि कौन सी चीज़ आपके लिए ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। We thought in this wicket थोड़ा था, हमारे 3 फास्ट bowlers would be able to do the job for us, और I think they delivered. And जब आपका कोई भी डिसीजन अच्छा जाता है तो लोग obviously आपकी तारीफ करते हैं, जब अच्छा नहीं जाता है तो I'm aware that they're gonna be shots taken at me, which I'm fine with, because at the end of the day I know that I made a decision which was the best for our team.
रिसेंटली हम लोग बहुत मीडिया में या बहुत जगह बातें चल रही है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट के फ्यूचर को लेके, टेस्ट क्रिकेट पर प्रमोशन लेके ऐसा भी कहा जा रहा है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट को 4 दिन का कर देना चाहिए। तो आफ्टर दिस सीरीज 25 डेज ऑफ हार्ड फोर्ड क्रिकेट, लास्ट घंटे तक पता नहीं चल रहा था कि कौन सीरीज में क्या रिजल्ट आएगा। आपको एज ए टीम, एज ए इंडियन कैप्टन क्या लगता है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट के साथ कोई छेड़छाड़ नहीं ज्यादा करना चाहिए इस फॉर्मेट के साथ? लेट इट प्रिजर्व, लेट इट ब्लॉसम।
क्या पूछा था सर मैं? 4 दिन का मैच होता तो 5 मैच ड्रॉ हो जाते। आई थिंक टेस्ट क्रिकेट शुड बी as it is. It's in my opinion, it is the most rewarding and satisfying format. You work the hardest to be able to get a win, and the best thing about this format is it always gives you a second chance, which none of the other formats give. So if you keep working hard, if you keep doing the right things, there is always a second chance. So in my opinion, this is the most rewarding and satisfying format. I don't think there should be any changes made to this format.
शुभमन लगता है कि 35 रन है, लेकिन जब प्रेशर की बात होती है तो 35 रन बन जाते हैं. तो आज के खेल के बारे में क्या कहोगे?
सर जब ऐसे बॉलर बॉल डाल रहे हैं तो फिर 35 रन ही बहुत लगते हैं. एज अ बैट्समैन यू नो कि अगर प्रेशर आपके ऊपर, बॉल कुछ कर रही है तो इट जस्ट टेक्स वन बॉल. तो वही हमारी कोशिश थी कि बार बार उनको भी याद दिलाते रहे कि एक ही बॉल है, बैट्समैन के पास एक ही बॉल होती है. तो अगर किसी भी अपोजिशन के ऊपर जब कंडीशंस ऐसी हैं, मोमेंटम आपके साथ है, तो 30-35 रन देयर इनफ, बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज नो कि एक बॉल की बात है, एक बॉल या दो बॉल जहाँ पे गिरे तो गेम वहीं पे खत्म हो जाएगा.
Shuman, 5 test matches in the series, you have had different challenges, but there was a point middle of the series you lost Rishabh Pant due to injury. Jasprit Bumrah wasn't in the dressing room, so as a leader, all the spotlight was on you. Deputy was out, senior fast bowler was out. How challenging was that period, and were there moments in the series where you had that feeling of helplessness? Ki batting to chal rahi hai, but as a captain, you know things are not working the way you would want, and how did you overcome those challenges?
Honestly, sir, when you have players like him, you don't really feel like that. You know, they're always going to come at the opposition. They are always going to make their life difficult, and that's what you want. Yes, we didn't have Rishabh. He's been one of the key performers for us over the past couple of years, and even Mumbai, I don't need to say much about him. He's also been he is one of the best fast bowlers in the world right now. But I think in Birmingham, I said we have so much talent in this country. Any playing 11, the best playing 11 that is available, you put it on the park, that is able to compete and beat any side in the world. So it's just important for us to be able to bring our A game, and that's what my focus was, that all the players are feeling mentally up there and they're able to bring their A game whenever we are out on the park.
But how were you mentally feeling when you were taking care of everyone's mental health?
अच्छा है ना सर, इट्स गुड काइंड ऑफ, बिकॉज आप में से अगर आप दूसरों के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचते हो तो आप खुद का जो प्रेशर होता है वो चला जाता है आप में से, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलवेज थिंकिंग अबाउट समवन एल्स. सो इवन इन कैप्टनसी और व्हेन आई वाज बैटिंग आई फेल्ट इन दिस सीरीज, बिकॉज दूसरों का सोचने की वजह से जो मुझे अपने ऊपर एक्चुअली उतना प्रेशर फील नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज आई वाज ऑलवेज थिंकिंग कि अब टीम के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, या फिर अगर कोई बंदा लो फील कर रहा है उसको कैसे, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प. तो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इट हेल्प्स मी टू बी एबल टू टेक प्रेशर फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ.
For you, Shubham, one of the challenges that you faced was fielding a settled bowling combination because of Bumrah's availability of 3 matches. But the fast bowling has done brilliantly in all the 5 matches, barring the second innings and the Leeds Test match. So a word on the fast bowling unit and also on Mohammad Siraj. A lot of people have complimented him. He's sitting right next to you. So what kind of compliments you would want to give to him for such a performance?
Sir, before the start of the series, Gauti bhai said that yes, we are a young team, but we don't want to be, we don't want us within our group, we don't want to be looked as a young team. We want to be looked as a gun team, and the way we played today showed us that why we are a gun team, and we have gun players like him in our team, and that's what makes this team so special.
शुभमन, सीरीज स्टार्ट होने से पहले बहुत बड़ा 10 साल में बहुत बड़ा बैटिंग ट्रांजिशन था, तो आपको लगता है इस सीरीज की खत्म होने के बाद तो बैटिंग ट्रांजिशन खत्म हो गया? और बॉलिंग ट्रांजिशन की भी बात करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि मॉर्किल ने बोला कल या परसों कि हमें 5-6 पेसर्स चाहिए जो हमेशा रेडी हों, और बुमराह का फिटनेस भी यू नेवर श्योर अबाउट इट. तो प्लीज़ बताइए
सर. ट्रांजिशन आई थिंक जब तक अगर ट्रांजिशन नहीं भी होता, इवन इफ वी वुड हैव हैड ओल्ड प्लेयर्स, अगर आपके बैटर्स बॉलर्स परफॉर्म करते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली सब कुछ, सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. एवरी बैट्समैन इन द सीरीज, ऑलमोस्ट हर बैट्समैन ने परफॉर्म किया. दे हैव स्कोर्ड हंड्रेड्स, दे हैव स्कोर्ड रन्स इन क्रूशियल एंड क्रंच सिचुएशंस. एंड नाउ आई थिंक आवर नेक्स्ट जो अगले 4 टेस्ट मैच है, दैट्स गोइंग टू बी इन इंडिया, एंड दैट्स गोइंग टू बी अ डिफरेंट चैलेंज. बैट्समैनों के ऊपर और बॉलर्स के ऊपर इट विल बी स्लाइटली डिफरेंट चैलेंज, स्लाइटली डिफरेंट प्रेशर, एंड आई थिंक वी हैव इनफ टैलेंट. जो ऐसी ये सीरीज वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस, बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ मेच्योरिटी every player would feel after the end of the series would really help us in the long run in this WTC cycle.
Shubman, when Atkinson's batting with Wokes at the end there, you didn't bring in the field twice for the last ball. England ran it by, and then an easy single, so Wokes didn't have to face. So can you just explain the thinking behind that?
Sir, we felt even in the second last ball or the last ball, we felt if we go wide Yorker, there's a chance of him missing, which he did in the first one. Dhruv missed the stumps, which happens, but that was the plan, that they have to score. We wanted them to take on the fielders and score in boundaries rather than bringing the field on. They hit a boundary, and then we didn't want the scores to be in, they can achieve it in one shot. We wanted them to hit maybe 2 or 3 shots to be able to achieve the runs, because that I felt gave us the best probability to be able to, for them to make a mistake and for us to win the match.
So there was no agreement that you wouldn't bowl to Wokes. You were happy to bowl to Wokes if necessary.
Yes, we were happy to bowl to him. It was just that we knew that we thought he didn't, like Boxy wouldn't even play the last ball. We knew he's going to run on the last ball. They wouldn't even run on the second last ball. So that's why I didn't want to bring the fielders in, because on the last ball, we thought if we go wide Yorker, there's a chance of him missing it, and then there's a chance for us to get the run out.
Question to you is about, we're sitting here 2-all, amazing series. If there was also a chance of England winning 3-1. If that would have been the case, what would be your feelings sitting here as a captain of this?
Feelings would definitely be slightly different. I don't think it would have really the scorecard of the series could not have really depicted what kind of cricket we played. But I think the scorecard of the series that we have right now really shows how the both teams played, and this win was important for us to be able to get that morale high, especially after the kind of cricket that we have played over the course of 2 months.
शुभमन सिराज के बारे में इनका एक क्लिप बहुत वायरल होता है. जसप्रीत भाई के बारे में बोल रहे थे, बुमराह इज अ गेम चेंजर बॉलर. आई ओनली बिलीव इन जसप्रीत भाई. क्या इंडियन ड्रेसिंग रूम अब सेम चीज सिराज के लिए भी कह सकता है कि दे ओनली बिलीव इन सिराज भाई?
पहले भी बोलता था कि हम ओनली बिलीव इन सिराज भाई. ये अगर ये मैच जिस तरीके से इसने एफर्ट डाला, ये मैच अगर हम हार भी जाते डेफिनेटली लो होते, बट द रिस्पेक्ट ही हैज इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम वो इसकी वजह से कम नहीं होती, बिकॉज ही इज अर्नड इट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ इयर्स. एक मोमेंट कांट डिफाइन, और आपकी रिस्पेक्ट उसकी वजह से कम नहीं होती है. ही इज वर्क सो हार्ड फॉर ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 4-5 years, and he's earned that.